Hey, everybody. You don't have a content problem. You have a blank screen problem. Now, if Instagram carousels, if they feel harder than they should, this is going to feel like you're cheating because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the exact tool that I built that's going to take you from I have no idea what to post to a finished scroll stopping carousel. No brainstorming, no prompts, no staring at Canva, wondering where in the world you should start. Now, most carousel tools, they still expect you to do the hardest part, coming up with the idea, the hook, and the structure. Well, my little app, Carousel Compass, flips all of that. So you start with clarity, not that creative pressure. It gives you 30 carousel topic instantly. Just imagine you pick one and then it hands you the proven hooks. Then you pick your hook and it builds the carousel content for you. So this is a show and tell, not a theory. I'm going to walk you through how it works live so you can see exactly how fast this works. All right. So let me share my screen as always. And let me show you. Okay. So when you go to the login, and I'll put the link down below, here it is. It just explains basically how it's going to work for you. And so you can just get started for free. If you already have an account, you can put that in. I'm just going to say Betty Z Zoomer. Okay. And then I'm just going to give it a password. Okay, so I'm just creating a free account. Oh, whoops, got to put my name in here. And then I got to put the right email. So it's not asking for credit card, nothing. You just have to create the account. So basically, it's 3 ideas or 3 steps. It's going to walk you through the ideas, and then it's going to give you 30. And then you can pick and choose. Then it's after you do that, it's going to come up with the hooks, and then it's going to build the carousel for you. I mean, that easy. Now, let me see what can who do I want to focus on today? There's just so many. Let's just say I just have too many. I can't pick. How about, isn't that awful? There's just too many swirling around. Okay, I'm just going to go with my dog walker. So let's say I've got a course to teach dog walkers how to get more business or how to create a business. Okay. And my business information, I just describe a little bit about who I am, my products and stuff. And so I'm just going to say, I teach dog walkers how to create a profitable business. Okay. And then what topic? So again, who's my audience? Now I could flip this around and I could make the audience pet owners. Okay. But in this instance, the target audience are the dog walkers. And so basically, how to get started with a dog walking business. Okay. So those are the 3 questions you have to answer. And then it's going to start generating these ideas. Now, based on your internet, it may take a few seconds. We're kind of getting spoiled here because we want everything within 1 or 2 seconds, right? But this is live. I'm not going to pause it. I just want you to see in real time how long this is taking to generate the ideas. And of course, because I'm doing the video, it's always going to take a little longer, but just bear with me here. And these ideas are going to pop up in just a minute. One other thing, while it's generating the ideas, let me just say this. Sometimes when you're using AI, you like one part of one thing and one part of something else. Well, no worries about that because you can scan through this list of 30 ideas and then you can kind of mix and match. So just open up a little document and then from there you could create your own. Okay, I should have timed it. So we finally got the ideas back. I think it was under less than a minute. Don't you? Give me a thumbs up if you think it's still pretty fast. So again, it generated 30 ideas. And let's just look at 2 or 3. 5 essential items every new dog walker needs. How to price. That's funny, 2024. Let's wake up, 2026. Dog walking startup costs, complete business. Ooh, I like this one. How to find your first 10 dog walking clients. So I like this. Now, remember I said you could kind of pick and choose. So I would just open up a Google Doc and I might copy 1 or 2 of these and then come up with my own. And if I did, I could just click right here to write my own. But I am just going to go with this one, how to find your first 10 dog walking clients. Okay, so once I click that, I click the button, continue to hooks. And now it's going to come up with the hooks. And again, it's going to give me a variety of the different hooks that I can use. And same thing, I can kind of mix and match. So do you see how just that the first idea list was just phenomenal. Okay, so now it's come up with some hooks. And what I want to point out is the different hooks are addressing different angles. So here's a pain point angle, still walking 0 dogs after trying to get clients. Here's a bold statement. I went from 0 to 10. The biggest mistake, that's a question, promise, bold statement. So, excuse me. Again, you just pick what you think will get the most eyeballs on it. Okay. So maybe this time I'm going to go with the pain point. So I'm going to select that. And now I just click the button to continue to the carousel. And then it's going to ask me one more question. It's going to say, what's the goal of this carousel? So do I want to drive people to my website? Do I want to increase engagement? So that might be something like, hey, if you want my list of 10 XYZ, comment below. Or if I just want to educate or if I want to promote, whatever it is, and you just type that in. So in this instance, I'm just going to say educate, and then it's going to generate the carousel. And hold on, because it's going to come back. The beautiful thing, everything will be written for you. And then all you need to do is just put some kind of image. Now, some people say, oh, coming up with the images is the hardest part. It doesn't have to be. A lot of the high influencers, all they're doing is taking their picture, like a lifestyle picture, put that behind, and then put these posts in little text blocks. All right, so here it is. It's created 10 slides. So I'm just going to read a couple of them. Here's the hook. Still walking 0 dogs after weeks of trying to get clients? You're not alone. Most dog walkers struggle because they're using the wrong approach. Then the next little slide, start with your network. Tell everyone you know about your new business. Then the next slide, canvas your neighborhood. The next slide, partner with local businesses. Okay, so there it is. And now at this point, I will just click download, and it will just give me a text file. Let me just put it right here, and let's just save it. And then let me just open it up so you can see it. So here it is. Here is your carousel. Now, how easy was that? All right. Now, let me just point out that you can use this 3 times free. Up here, it's telling me I've got 2 left. Play around with it. Enjoy it. And then if you decide, let me come back here, hide this, come back so that I can see your pretty little face. Okay. If you decide that you love it, use these 3 credits, play around with it as much as you want. There's no credit card, nothing like that. But then if you do want to take advantage of it, I have a phenomenal annual price that, you'll just be thinking, how in the world can I offer it so cheap? So if you want to upgrade, you can just do that. So here's the deal. If you have a bunch of content just sitting around on your to-do list longer than you'd like to admit, then this is your sign to stop overthinking and start publishing. So go out and test that app, let it guide you, and see what it shows up with. So that blank page is no longer in charge. And if it clicks, you'll know it. If you want help turning these carousels into simple, repeatable content system, that's what we do inside of the AI Digital Business Academy. And we'd love to have you there. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this. I'll put the link below. If this is your first time, make sure you subscribe if you're on my YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time. Take care.